Okay, I just finished reassembling everything. So just make sure all your connectors are pushed back down in. That one had to pop off. Same with that there. Pop that off. Well, no, I might have just popped this side off, but ended up popping the other side off too. I pretty much disassembled it just like this. And I took those T30s, I think. Yeah. T20s, sorry. So there's one, two, 3, 4, I popped off this one just because it was easier to get to. Actually, no. I popped that off so the whole unit could slide out this way. I disconnected this and this. Took this off. That's 1, 2, T20s. I don't think you have to take that one off because you're going to unclip it there and it kind of stays with the unit. So you can leave that one. And then there's a bunch of clips. These just kind of push back. There's a clip here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it looks like 8 clips. You're gonna have to take out this screw here as well. It should be a T20 and another one right there. And this should allow it to, at least you can basically, if you orient it, well, whichever way, I guess this way or the other way. This cover is just going to pop right off. Kind of have to finagle it right around this area. And then once you get these connectors to the door flappers off on both the top and the bottom, then this section separates once you release those screws, or sorry, those T20 screws. And I have to move this and just kind of pushing this back in place. Trying to think. I didn't really have to mess with those too much. I didn't take those apart. Just mainly if you just start with the clips And the 4 T20s should be in pretty good shape. And like I said, this kind of lifts up and out, and then this section separates this way, and you can pull the whole evaporator out, or heater core if you're doing a heater core. Heater core access is under here. That's it. These are the mounting points to the firewall. So I still need to remove the dryer and replace that once I get this all back together. But I plan to do that tomorrow.